all day. But anyway, I got Subway this time. I'll tell you more about it, but hold on. Let me take all these goodie things out. Got avocado on the side because I gotta melt. I didn't want my avocado in my mouth and then it's gonna be warm. Ew. I don't want this receipt, obviously. A butter knife. It's okay, it's not for y'all. It's for me to spread the avocado, sillies. How cute this. Anyway, and of course, Sprite. Never fails, like I said. Anyway, so no, I walked in. I'm so excited to eat Subway. It's been years, I want to say, that I haven't eaten Subway. Maybe I'm exaggerating, but maybe like, I don't know. This looks so good. Obviously, I have to show it. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. This looks so good. This lady didn't cut it in half. Oh my god, it looks so good. Why am I singing? It's because I'm happy. Oh my god. Earthquake. Just kidding. Look at that. I just told her what I wanted, you know. I didn't really like, oh, I want this so-and-so, you know. So, there is chicken, cucumbers, pickles, onion, black olives, ranch, bacon, pepper jack, and of course, I'm gonna add the avocado. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That looks so beautiful. Oh my god, that's so good. Ooh, so good. I should have made my own avocado though. I just got off work, well, like an hour ago. I worked a long shift, so ignore what I'm wearing, ignore my makeup because it don't look all that. Ignore my hair. Look, I'm trying to curl it and I failed. Like literally, like what the hell, Jenny, is this? This one looks perfectly fine, but the rest, I don't know what it is. This looks so good. I just added avocado on one of them. Okay, let me try it. It is so good. Oh my god, I taste everything. Taste the onions, black olives in it, the ranch, the pepper jack. By the way, I ordered extra pepper jack this time. Oh my god, it is perfect, and it's a melt. Okay, I'll make sure to write down the comments. Okay. I know what to call it. Jenny's Juicy Melt. What do y'all think? Oh my god, I taste everything. This is no joke. I recommend y'all try it. That double pepper jack hits the spot. The bacon. I'm probably gonna make more Subway mukbangs. Literally, this is the whole thing that I was thinking about throughout work. During the whole working process, throughout the long shift, I was thinking, I can't wait to get out and get Subway. Can't wait, and make this video. Oh my god, I couldn't wait. Subway was in my mind 24/7. Like, no joke. This is love. All this food is love, my people. Oh yeah. So good. Oh, wait. Hold on. Trying to get the thumbnail. Ooh. Looks so good. Mmm. Look, I'm still wearing my watch. Usually when I get home, I take it off and put it in the charger. It's been a long day for me, y'all folks. It's been a long day. I need y'all to try it. I'm dead serious. This is so good. If y'all like everything that I said, literally except pickles, cucumbers, jalapenos, onions, bacon, chicken, ranch. I was thinking to get the chipotle mayo, but I'm like, eh. I tried it. That wasn't my thing. For sure, that didn't fit my standards. my taste standards. But, so I decided to go for, ranch, It's already spicy with the pickles, so. What else did I have? Bacon. I don't know if I said that. At least I have vegetables in there, okay? Okay, like. This is so satisfying. I really failed on my hair. My hair is probably disappointed at me because I failed on them. On every little tiny hair, I failed. Tell me how, this is not me. Tell me how I woke up at freaking 6 a.m. That's not me. I was like, is this Janine? What happened to Janine? Even my boyfriend was like, are you okay? Are you gonna go back to sleep? Are you just gonna stand there or what? But anyway, so yeah, no, I woke up at 6. I could, with sneezes and everything, I couldn't go back to sleep, I was like, what the hell's going on? I look at the time, it's freaking 6 o'clock, 6:05 or so. I'm like, what the hell? And I just couldn't go back to sleep. So you know what? I might as well get ready, do my hair, do my makeup. Because I was working a full shift, might as well get ready and look pretty, I have a mess. You don't want to look at here, okay? You just want to look at this beautiful thing. Look, so good. And yes, I did get the foot long, okay? So what? I'm just joking. But yes, I did get the foot long. She was like, you want the foot long? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, please. I was like, the face, like, you have to make it a foot long. Don't ask. Just do it. Just do it. Oh, that was an onion. That was good. Not that bad. I prefer on things. Oh my god, that was so good, y'all. I'm getting full. This is why I hate drinking soda. I get full easily, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. I should be drinking water, which I have it right here, but I want to drink Sprite. Well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Like the big Subway sandwich. Get it? It's small now, but how about this one? Never mind, I can't pick it up. too lazy. Anyway, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't forget the other food mukbangs I'm about to make. Love ya. It's Jennine.